everyone, this is Gabby, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very cute fluffy mushroom. As per usual, you can find the materials, stitch tutorials, and a link to the pattern in the description down below. Now let's get started. First, we're going to start with the body. Round 1, magic circle with 6 single crochets. Round 2, increase a round. Round 3, single crochet followed by increase. Round 4, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, bobble stitch. To make a bobble, work a group of 5 stitches together all in the same stitch. To do that, yarn over as if you are going to make a double crochet. Insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook now. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. You have 2 loops on the hook. Repeat that 4 times in the same stitch. Yarn over one last time and pull through all loops. Next, single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Bobble stitch. Single crochet in the next 9 stitches. Round 5, Single crochet in the next 2 stitches followed by increase. From round 6 to round 10, single crochet around. Round 11, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, bobble stitch, single crochet in the next 6 stitches, bobble stitch, single crochet in the next 13 stitches. From round 12 to round 17, single crochet around. Round 18, front loops only, double crochet followed by double crochet increase. And repeat that sequence till the end of the round. Slip stitch and finish off. Now let's make the eyes. Round 1, 6 single crochets into a magic circle. Round 2, increase around. Slip stitch and finish off and cut a long tail for sewing. Make 2 eyes. Sew the eyes 2 rounds above the arms with 3 stitches between them. Now it's time to make the white spots on the eyes. Grab the yarn needle for sewing and white thread, the longer the better. Make a loop in the eye and get the needle through the loop 4 to 5 times. After that, pull the thread so the yarn makes one white bow. Embroider some more white details in the eye. Now let's move on to the cap. Round 1, magic circle with 6 single crochets. Round 2, increase a round. Round 3, single crochet followed by increase. Round 4, single crochet around. Round 5, single crochet in the next 2 stitches followed by increase. To save you some time, I displayed the next 4 rounds. You can pause the video and check the pattern. Slip stitch and finish off. Sew the cap to the body. First sew the cap at the inner edge. Before you close the gap, put fiber fill. I used sport yarn for the sewing because I find it way more easier this way. Choose the type of mouth you prefer and sew it in place using the yarn needle for sewing. And you're ready! Thank you so much for watching and hopping on the journey to make this cute mushroom. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked the tutorial. I'll be very happy to see your creation. You can tag me on Instagram and show off your new mushroom friend. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Also, if you happen to really like this video, you can support me by checking out my Etsy shop, which is called Amigurumi Forge. You can find the link in the description. Have a lovely day or night, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye now!